Ever wonder why some guys just have that spark, that thing that draws people in? It's not magic, it's about boosting what you've got. And today, we're diving deep into how you, especially as a black man, can turn up that charm to a whole new level. You've seen those guys, right? The ones who walk into a room and all eyes are on them. What's their secret? Let's break it down, step by step, and make sure by the end of this video, you're on your way to being that guy.
I'm all about my money, baby. I get money, baby. Yeah, my chopper hold 100, my car go 200, baby. I be chasing coins like Sonny, baby. I be running, baby. I be chasing after money, baby. I get money, baby. Yeah, I'm all about my money, baby. I get money, baby. Yeah, my chopper.
First things first, let's talk body. Ever noticed how the guys who really stand out, regardless of race, are the ones who are in shape? That's no coincidence. A strong, healthy body screams confidence and strength. But here's the kicker. It's not about being the biggest guy in the room. It's about having a balanced, fit physique. Haven't hit the gym yet? Today's the day to start. Focus on those arms, shoulders, and chest. These are your show muscles, the ones that make you look sharp in any outfit. And speaking of outfits, dressing right can make a world of difference. But more on that in a bit. Now, let's get into the scent game. Ever walked past someone and their scent just made you turn your head? That's the power of a good fragrance. It's about finding that smell that's all you, whether it's fresh, earthy, or spicy. Just a little dab on your pulse points, and you're good to go. Trust me, it's a game changer. Voice, ever thought about it? A deep, steady voice can make people sit up and listen. It's about speaking from your chest, not your nose. Try some voice exercises to deepen that tone. You'll be surprised at how much of a difference it makes. Hair and beard, they frame your face, so getting them right is crucial. The best style for you depends on your face shape and skin tone. Experiment a bit, find what works for you. And if you're rocking a beard, make sure it's well groomed. No beard? No problem. It's all about what suits you best. Now, here's something you might not have thought about: your neck. Yep, a strong neck ties your whole look together. It's about balance, strength, and health. A few neck exercises a week can really make a difference. Posture, it's the silent communicator of confidence. Stand tall, shoulders back, and watch how the world changes around you. Good posture is like a magnet for positive attention. Boosting your sex appeal isn't about changing who you are. It's about enhancing what you've already got. It's about health, confidence, and embracing your unique self. And remember, this journey is all about you becoming the best version of yourself. Don't forget to engage with us in the comments, share your thoughts, your progress, and let's keep this conversation going. Let's make it happen.